I'm sure you've heard the news. The start of 2025 brought a wave of destruction to Los Angeles. Wildfires tore through the region, leaving a trail of devastation in their wake. Over 57,000 acres of land were scorched, and the impact on the residential real estate market has been profound. Preliminary figure for homes destroyed in Altadena is likely between 6,500 and 9,400. The impact was felt most acutely in areas like Pacific Palisades and Altadena, where a significant portion of properties were damaged or destroyed. The financial losses from these fires are staggering. The damages are approximately $38 billion or more, derived from the number of structures destroyed and their pre-fire market values. This includes the loss of homes, businesses, and infrastructure. The ripple effects of the fires, including lost economic activity and increased costs for goods and services, could push the total cost even higher. Some estimates suggest over $100 billion in total disaster costs. Containment of the fires has been a top priority for firefighters. Although the fires are now extinguished, there's still dangers ahead. The threat of future fires remains a significant concern for residents and officials alike. The fires have had a devastating impact on the lives of countless Angelenos. The loss of homes, businesses, and cherished possessions is immeasurable. The road to recovery will be long and arduous. In the coming months and years, the city will grapple with the immense task of rebuilding. The wildfires have thrown the already strained Los Angeles housing market into further turmoil. Los Angeles was already grappling with a severe housing shortage before the fires. With a deficit of nearly 200,000 homes, competition for available properties was fierce. The fires only exacerbated this shortage, further reducing the supply of homes, particularly in the more affordable segments of the market. The destruction of thousands of homes has put immense pressure on housing prices. While some experts predict a short-term slowdown in price growth for fire-affected areas, the long-term outlook suggests significant increases. Rebuilt homes are likely to be larger and more expensive, catering to higher-income earners. This trend could further exacerbate affordability challenges for many Angelenos, particularly those displaced by the fires. The rental market has also been significantly impacted. Demand for rental properties surged immediately following the fires, with online searches for Los Angeles homes for rent skyrocketing. This surge in demand, coupled with the reduced supply of available units, has led to substantial rent increases. Some areas have seen rents more than double, raising concerns about price gouging. The fires have also highlighted the vulnerability of renters in the face of natural disasters. The destruction of rental properties, including rent-controlled units, has displaced thousands of renters and raised concerns about long-term affordability. As the city rebuilds, it will be crucial to prioritize the development of affordable housing options to ensure that all Angelenos have access to safe and secure housing. The road to recovery for fire-ravaged Los Angeles will be long and challenging. Rebuilding efforts face numerous obstacles, including the sheer scale of the destruction, the complexities of fire-resistant construction, and bureaucratic hurdles. The process is expected to take years, leaving many displaced residents in limbo. One of the most significant challenges is the requirement for fire-resistant construction in high-risk areas. While these building codes are essential for enhancing safety and resilience, they also add significant costs to rebuilding. These increased costs could make it difficult for some homeowners, particularly those underinsured, to rebuild. Navigating the bureaucratic maze of permits and approvals is another major hurdle. The approval process for rebuilding can be lengthy and complex, often involving multiple agencies and layers of regulations. Delays in obtaining permits can stall rebuilding efforts, adding to the financial and emotional strain on homeowners eager to return to their properties. The city and county are exploring ways to expedite the rebuilding process and provide support to those affected. This includes streamlining permitting procedures, offering financial assistance for rebuilding, and exploring incentives to encourage the development of affordable housing. However, the scale of the disaster means that many challenges lie ahead. The wildfires will have lasting social and demographic impacts on Los Angeles. The displacement of thousands of residents is likely to lead to significant population shifts. Some displaced residents may opt to relocate permanently, seeking new beginnings in other parts of the city or even outside of California. This exodus could reshape the demographic makeup of affected neighborhoods. The loss of affordable housing is a pressing concern. Many lower-income residents, particularly renters, were already struggling to afford housing in Los Angeles. The destruction of rental properties, including rent-controlled units, has further exacerbated this challenge. As the city rebuilds, it will be crucial to prioritize the development of affordable housing options to ensure that all residents have access to safe and secure places to live. The fires have also highlighted the importance of community resilience and support. In the wake of the disaster, neighbors have come together to support one another, offering assistance, sharing resources, and providing emotional support. This spirit of community will be essential as Los Angeles embarks on the long road to recovery. The wildfires of 2025 have left an indelible mark on Los Angeles. The city faces a long and challenging road to recovery, but amidst the devastation, there is also hope. The resilience of the human spirit, coupled with a commitment to rebuilding stronger and more resilient communities, will guide Los Angeles as it navigates the aftermath of this disaster.